So you can see the flag
Oh, yeah.
there. Then there's another flag on that small bush. And then there's another flag in the Ohia tree. You know, that first day that we kind of talked, it seemed like, you know, you wanted the pad kind of where it's at that you can see. But I mean, do you want to go all the way to that boundary? You know, what do you guys want? We can. There's, you know, I plucked out some of this hump in here. The only thing that would worry me is if this hump had a blue rock vein in it, you know. But again, it all can be done. We just want to know.
What do you think?
I mean, bro, you could have a huge, nice pad here. Those Ohia trees are so beautiful.
Yeah.
And it's so flat right to there that, I mean, you could literally have a pad from this point, basically to that point, all the way to that high flag in the Ohia tree, and then straight down. I mean, we're talking from here, you know, basically from here, this whole place could be a massive flat pad. I'm just not sure what, you know, how much.
What do you think?
It's doable.
What is blue rock?
Blue rock is just like, this is rock. It crunches real nice and soft. Blue rock is just hard, dense rock that can be solid, where we have to hammer or we have to rip it. Like this dozer is a small dozer. This dozer is good because I can move material from here to there real quick, you know. But as far as if that is a blue rock finger, you know, this dozer can't rip it out of the ground. That's why we use the excavator with the hammer. So what we would do is scrape everything and then see, you know, if we had to hammer.
Do you think we could, are we going to be within the budget?
I think we are. I mean, like
Yeah.
I said, just from doing what I did that day with this little bit, we're going to be right there.
Okay. Yeah. Go as far as you can.
And we could do that. We could say, hey, let's go as far as we can until we do hit something where we think like, okay, this is going to take it to a whole nother level.
Okay. That sounds
know.
good. Yeah, because
And then I
it's
can
big
say,
enough
hey,
already.
look, you know, we hit some blue rock.
Yeah.
And then how far that way do you want to go though? Because I want to leave it natural.
Yeah.
You know, do you want to just go to where I stopped pulling the greenways, or do you want to go a little further? Do you want to go all the way to those big trees?
No, I want to keep that kind of natural.
Okay.
Wait, what do you think?
Yeah. I don't want to rip it all out.
Okay, no, that's good.
Yeah.
I mean, smaller is better.
Yeah.
But since we're here, that's why I just wanted to meet. Let's figure out exactly.
Okay.
You know, I have a tape measure. Did you have any like dimensions in mind? 100 feet?
100 by 100
100 by 100. Okay. That's good.
is what we're probably going to try to see if we can afford to lay concrete on.
Okay.
So what about the
and
path?
Then, and the driveway.
Yeah.
Yep. So he was very concerned about that as well.
Yeah.
Neighbor's always concerned, right? So I didn't talk much. I said, oh no, yeah, we're just clearing up and stuff. Walking through here, there's definitely some fingers and veins, but it's definitely doable. I'm just gonna have to pull out, you know, these Christmas berries, and then we'll have to hide them back in here somewhere and dig and stuff. But no, it's definitely doable.
Is it that, or should we just make the other one better?
It depends. We can definitely make the other one better. You probably would want to pour some concrete on that steep section if you were planning on having cars coming in and out of here. You know, I don't even see a cement truck getting down that. You know, it would have to be widened pretty well, that turn, and then it just goes straight down right there. Which it wouldn't take much to fix. It would be a lot cheaper to fix that than to make this road going out. That's for sure. Because I walked through here the other day, and it's definitely, you know, there's a couple ups and downs.
Okay.
And a lot more greenways. So that's why I almost started coming in on the road, and I was like, you know what, I better let's get this situated. Let's get the pad all
Okay.
locked in and cherry how we want it.
Okay.
And then we can figure out the road from there and see what's the deal.
So you think doing the other one?
Would be faster and easier, but I mean, I think this, you can have a nicer road here. You know, it is pretty. It won't be like this. It looks like they dropped a huge dozer there.
Yeah.
And just pushed, you know, which we couldn't do because now his property is right there. If that was all natural, it'd be easy because you're not worried about stuff, you know, falling over. But we'd have to go at the excavator and just slowly, you know, I would come right through here, probably leave this tree, and then just go right through here, take out this Christmas berry. Like this stuff, can I yank this out?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
yeah.
I wasn't sure. I didn't want to do too much because I wasn't sure how natural you were gonna leave it.
So even that Christmas berry can go.
This one.
Yeah.
So what I was looking at too, I mean, you actually have a really nice pad on this whole area. If I cleaned all of this stuff,
Yeah.
you'll have a pad here and then a small slope and then the whole pad there. It's just the more of this I pull out, I gotta hide it, you know, I gotta crunch it up.
Yeah.
Or we can have a pile somewhere where it dries up and then, you know, later on we can smash it once it's dry.
There's a gully back there.
I saw that gully back there. I just wasn't sure if you wanted to walk through there with the machine. We can pull all this Christmas berries out. You know, there's one there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull out this grass.
Yeah.
You know, and then again, you're gonna have a nice big area.
Yeah.